legendary snow creature!
Or Rusty and Ruby coming to rescue us.
They have to be down here somewhere.
At this rate, we'll have them dug out in approximately 37 days.
That's definitely not soon enough. What will we do now?
Okay, we need to make a plan so we can rescue Ranger Anna and Liam.
We need something that can get to the ranger station without sinking in the snow.
But is still strong enough and big enough to dig the station out.
Maybe something that could jump from tree to tree over the snow. Botarilla! And we'll give him new parts for the snow. Botarilla, we need you.
Okay, Botarilla Chillbot. We need your help rescuing Liam and Ranger Anna from under all that snow.
But we can't step on the snow or we'll sink. We have to go over it by hopping from tree to tree. I knew you'd like that. Come on, let's get hopping. All right, let's bounce.
Yeah! Just a little more. Stop!
The legendary snow creature.
Amazing! Rusty!
Actually, that's Botarilla. He's just covered in snow.
Let's get you out of here.
Nice!
This is amazing!
Go, Botarilla!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.